Now I will provide a video response for the 3 questions within the performance task email. First question, how would you prioritize the critical coaching traits in order of importance and hold yourself accountable in these areas? First on my list would be building relationships. Second would be establishing trust. Third would be providing timely and actionable feedback. I feel that before feedback of any sort can be provided, you have to have a relationship established with that teacher. They have to trust that you are truly there to grow them professionally and that you are not there to provide a disciplinary action of any sort based on what you're seeing in their classroom. Once that authentic, notice I said authentic, once the authentic relationship has been established with trust, then I feel that teachers are able to better receive your feedback and are more likely to provide more likely to implement the actionable items that you all discussed and be committed to improving in their areas of need. To hold myself accountable, I have to be accessible to the teachers. I have to make sure they know that how to access me throughout the day and the best ways to access me. I have to be honest with what I'm seeing within their classroom. I want to be resourceful so that I can provide them with best practices and different type of resources to help them in their areas of improvement. And then I want to honor their commitments, honoring any type of presentation, commitment to presenting within a department meeting, any type of coaching, calendar meeting. I want to honor all commitments so they can know that their time is extremely important to me as I am committed to their professional growth and development. Next question, how have you exemplified these critical traits in your current or previous role? Okay, in my previous role as Dean of Early College High School, I relied heavily on professional relationships to navigate the daily operations of the Collegiate Academy at Dunbar. I had to honor all meeting commitments to set the foundation for an authentic partnership to form between the campus and the university. As Dean, I was also charged with upholding the instructional curriculums of both Texas Western faculty as well as the Dunbar High School faculty. I had to ensure academic rigor and instructional obligations were met on the high school and collegiate level. This required me to establish trust with faculty on both campuses. Once the trust was established, I was then able to provide actionable feedback to all faculty and work in partnership with the Director of Collegiate Programs at the university level to facilitate dual professional development opportunities for our instructors. Eventually, we developed a mentorship program for both the university and high school faculty. Each instructor at the high school level had a partnering mentor at the collegiate level, and during our routine trips to campus, they would have a chance to collaborate with one another throughout the school day. This ensured that professional development was present the entire academic school year. For my last question, which of these critical traits comes easiest to you and why? I would probably have to say building authentic relationships comes most natural to me. In my opinion, the effectiveness of a leader is measured by their ability to leverage their influence to equip others to maximize their potential. Forming authentic and trustworthy partnerships and relationships is definitely the foundational principle of influencing others. In my past experience, I found that people often give their absolute best to those whom they have established trust and have a rock-solid relationship with. Thank you for the invitation to respond to the video prompt questions. I truly hope to hear from you soon.